Milady Memecoin holders, I'm back with another video for you guys, another update video for you guys. Hope you guys are doing amazing. Markets aren't really looking that great. Let's take a look at the overall markets, man. They're not looking that great at all, you know. But this is the time when you dollar cost average and accumulate great projects that you believe in, because you'll never get these cheap prices going into the bull cycle, man. And it's only a matter of time until we see the Bitcoin halving. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin halving countdown. It's not that far away, man. Right now, we are only 238 days away for the Bitcoin halving. That is a very short time, guys. So, you know, now is the time to dollar cost average into projects that you believe in. Great altcoins. You know, if you want to add a couple meme coins to your portfolio as well, like ladies. Nothing's wrong with that, but be sure you have great projects, great altcoins as well, man. So yeah, Bitcoin sitting at $26,600, Ethereum at $1,590, BNB at $210, Cardano 24 cents, Doge at 6 cents. You know, again, not looking great, but now is the time to dollar cost average in, man. Like for example, something like Doge at 6 cents, nice time, you know, nice time to DCA. Ladies, for example, let's take a look at the ladies chart and where it's sitting at right now. Right now, ladies sitting at 0.336. It was starting to make a move up, but the market conditions are kind of, like I said, man, just boring and, you know, not that great, especially because of the ETFs being delayed. September has always been a bearish month though. So after September, we'll see what happens in the future. Ladies sitting at $24.7 million in market cap. Trade volume still pretty good. 8.9%, $3 million in 24-hour trade volume. We already know the full circulating supply of ladies is out. And you can see the uptrend that has been forming. But, you know, we couldn't maintain that. So we had a bit of a retrace for ladies. Volume is coming in on a multiple different exchanges and decentralized exchanges as well. Let's take a look, man. As you can see, like, for example, on Gate.io, we have $500,000 in volume coming in. 75K on Huobi, 62K on Bybit, and 136K on BitGet, man. So the volume is definitely there, which is great. You'd like to see that. Coin value 77. I'm bullish on ladies. 10 thumbs up, 11 thumbs up now, 12 hearts for that. Crypto line, ladies to the moon, 16 thumbs up, 16 hearts for that. Mr. Sheeb, ladies, patience, man. 6 thumbs up, 11 hearts for that. And you can see from the Twitter page, still sitting at above 60,000 followers, which is great, right? Putting out good morning tweets, etc. Proud to be ladies, a girl in crypto world dominated by possibilities. Again, what I would really like to see, man, what I would love to see from the ladies project is more, you know, just a bit more innovation. Like I said, maybe they come up with a video game, maybe they do a automated Twitter bot, you know. I saw recently Dogecoin Mars did an automated bot, so maybe there could be a Milady Memecoin bot that, you know, displays like images of you know, the Milady NFTs or something, right? Something that could give it some more interest, some type of awareness to keep spreading awareness of the project, right? That's what I'd like to see, some type of developments like that. So right here, as we take a look at the chart, we were making a move to the upside. We were doing it once again, but that resistance at 4748, we got rejected from that, and now we're coming back down. It's still holding up pretty well compared to the entire market, even for a meme coin. And again, you just never know what happens going into the bull market. But as always, don't overinvest, guys, because this project is a meme coin. So, you know, I know there's a ton of people that have tuned into the channel because of the project, you know, and I don't want to ruin like your expectations and put you down and stuff like that, but just be, you know, just be weary, right? Because The space is very unpredictable. It is very unpredictable. You never know what could happen. So that's why I say don't overinvest. I say around 10 billion ladies is a nice bag to have, and then you just hold that. Forget about that going into the next bull market, and then start and always have a diversified portfolio. A lot of people, I'm sure a lot of you guys are bullish on Shiba, Bone, Dogecoin, Mars, etc. So when it comes to meme coins, keep them at a lower percentage in your portfolio. Look into more altcoins as well, great utility projects as well. I also cover Casper on the channel, for example. That's a great altcoin, and there's many others that I talk about in my live streams, right? So it's really up to you to do your own research. Always do your own research. Don't listen to influencers. They will lead you down a terrible path if you're listening to influencers. Make decisions for yourself, why you are bullish on a project, why you made a decision on getting that project, right? Again, it's really just because of how terrible the market is that we're not seeing crazy moves to the upside for any project. Only a few, right? And they're very hard to find because it's already they're probably already sitting at extremely high market caps. So the gains and the upside potential for them are a lot less, compared to other projects, right? Ladies still sitting at, $25 million in market cap. Still a nice market cap for nice upside, right? And going into the bull market, you just never know what could happen. There's definitely gonna be a moment where meme coins start breaking out again. For example, Pepe, right? Pepe is a brand new meme coin. Never saw a bull run, just like ladies. Has great price discovery, even with the FUD that happened in Pepe, right? And going into the bull run, I'm telling you guys, a lot of the meme coins will start waking up again. Just like how we saw when Pepe woke up, ladies and a lot of other projects started to explode with Pepe. That's going to happen once again when we see the bull run, right? So you just have to be patient. Lady still one of the top meme coins in the space, right? A lot of these meme coins, Doge, She, Bone, Floki, Baby Doge, Elon, Leash, already saw a bull run. So a lot of them have already saw a bull run. There's Mona already saw a bull run, right? Ladies hasn't seen a bull run as yet, so that is very good for ladies. That means it's gonna have a ton of price discovery. It's a different meme, and it's always been in the top like 10 to 15 memes, right? Because it's holding its market cap, which is very great to see that it's holding around that 20 to 25 million dollar market cap level. When we see meme coins start popping up again, like I said earlier, you could see an explosion in just the meme coin sector, right? In the meme coin market, especially when there's a ton of new retail that finally gets into the space. The overall crypto market cap still sitting at 1.05 trillion, and that's why the markets are so boring. That's why they're sideways. But these are the boring times that, like I said, is when you dollar cost average, right? So until we see this, the total market cap of the crypto space get to 2-3 trillion, it's gonna be like this for a while. Okay, it's gonna be like this for a while, at least until the halving. So make sure, like I said, you DCA. Don't overinvest. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. Especially into meme coins. I just gotta be 100% honest and genuine with you guys. Don't overinvest. Buy something that you're comfortable with losing. If something does go wrong, if something does go wrong with the project, you never overinvested, so it's not gonna, hurt as much, But make sure you also have a diversified portfolio with different projects as well. Make sure you have some great altcoins as well, And so if you hold Milady Memecoin, thank y'all so much for tuning in. We'll see what happens going into the bull cycle, right? Could see a crazy run for this. It could happen, but always remember, right, that it's not guaranteed. Okay, so we'll see what takes place, man. I'm gonna keep you guys updated like I always do. I'll probably do continue to stream as well. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the videos with your friends and family. Become a channel member, tune into the live streams, and I'll catch you in the next one.